What I heard Eric Thomas say was this, that there are opportunities of a lifetime, but those opportunities also have a lifetime. Now, what does that mean? The opportunity of a lifetime comes to you like today. For instance, even signing up to the Text Blast, that's an opportunity of a lifetime. Who knows that you may miss this podcast or you may forget down the line. And what if there was something very special in that Text Blast strictly for you? But because you didn't tap into it, you didn't tap into AI, you didn't tap into ChatGPT, you didn't tap into Gemini, you didn't tap into all the, CapCut and Pro and all the things that are doing things faster for you. You see, there's a lifetime in the opportunity. And it comes down to the place of open and closed doors.